Thought I'd walk down here about the river, get a little closer look at it. Boy, she's a moving. Somebody mentioned something about it'd be a good time to fish. I don't know. For me, I wouldn't be able to fish here. Water's moving so fast it'd yank the reel out of your hand if you caught a fish, or even just trying to throw some bait out there, it probably would. Yeah, the other day I was able to walk down up under the bridge. You couldn't do that right now either. Maybe I will, oh, just for adventure's sake. See if I get my old knees to bend enough to get down in here so I can put y'all next to the water. Sometimes it's really kind of nice just to watch the water run, and in this case, running really fast. One of the things I'm noticing while I'm sitting here is if you look over there, between those stones that are the foundation for the old mill and those trees, there's something with lines on the bottom of it in the water. Looks kind of like an aluminum boat that's upside down. And it wouldn't surprise me if it was. A lot of times things will wash out of the lake, which is up the road here several miles, or sometimes they'll wash off the bank where somebody will drag things up on the bank. You know, I found kayaks and all kind of stuff down here, but that may be an aluminum boat stuck in the trees behind the mill. I think what I'll do is climb up over to the other side of the bridge and look down. I can't get to that because the water's so high, but I might be able to see it. If I go up and over here. I might be able to look down and see it. Yeah. Nope, it's not a boat. Piece of tin. Could be a piece of tin that came off this roof here. Well, water, she's moving fast. It's all up in underneath the mill here. There was at one time old wagon wheels and stuff inside there, but I think they might have washed away. I've seen that flood up under there before. Neighbors aren't here. They're in Louisiana right now, riding out the winter. And of course, with the virus and all, they probably can't even get home. Yeah, see, there's a couple pieces of tin missing right there. That's probably what that is. Oh, the joy. Here comes some hot rod boy going down the hill too damn fast. 35-mile-an-hour speed limit. Roll on, buddy. Sometimes the cops sit down here, just reeling them in. People seem to think it's their little drag strip between here and the road. I don't mind it most of the time, but I don't like it too much when I'm out walking around the road. A lot of people do walk on this road. But I can't be too critical of people driving too fast, because Lord knows I've done it plenty of times, especially when I was young. Used to be like a way of life, you know. Always in a hurry. You get older, you get over that. Funny how that works. Of course, not having to be in a hurry to get to work and back and stuff like that, probably a contributing factor. Got a few daylilies popping up over here. That's good. Old apple tree stump. Well, looking good there. My brother made this fish thing. He's gone now, but the fish thing still lives. I think I lost my sunshine. Maybe it'll come back. Let's see. Glad I got a little of it before it went away. There's a piece of a daylily bulb that got washed out of the ground. Got roots on it. I believe if I stuck it in the ground, it might make it. Wet as it's been, I've seen several of these that have kind of started rooting out. Given half a chance, they might live. Never know. Got a bunch of daylilies over here. Usually, over here, the daylilies come up and then the wild grass chokes them out. Maybe they'll do good this year. We'll see.